Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina, and kama wewe ni mgeni, if you are new here, remember to subscribe. Kama wewe ni member, thank you so much for always being here. So today video is going to be my bathroom makeover. I've been working on it like for a month now. Don't ask me why, but for like a month now, and I want to take you through the whole process and the transformation. So stay tuned. I will try and explain as much as I can where I can, but in the meantime, let's start by cleaning the whole place first so that we can have a clean page to work with. To the new members, thank you so much. Subscribe. Kwa member wenyewe, wenyeji, my members, my people, thank you for sharing, for liking the video, for commenting. I see you. My goal for this bathroom makeover is to see how many things I can DIY to begin with, and if I don't really need to buy it, I don't have to. If I can make a very simple things, then I'm going to do that. Funny thing about this house, there is water like 24/7, but the shower is not showering. It's not working for me. Me having a moment. Cleaning is not easy, so I was just happy that you're touching Aisha. So let's start with the fixing a few cracks here and there. So to fix those cracks, we have an option. You can decide to use a filler, but for me, I decided to go with the cement mix because I want something, because this is a bathroom, as I said earlier. It's a combined bathroom, meaning it's a toilet and a washroom. So maji iko, moist iko, so I decided to go with the cement for long term purposes. Sometimes I look at the things I do and I just can't explain it. So my brain decided hapa tunataka karatasi tuweke cement ndio tufeel vizuri, and that's what I decided to do. So see ati it's the right thing to do, but it works for me. Nikiweka hivyo zinaingia vizuri. I don't have to keep pressing, and also nikimalizana na tupa tu, it's not that complicated. Yes. So for the sink, hapa ndio mambo iko. Ilikuwa inakaa nika inang'oka. Mwenye alikuwa anakaa anyway, ilikuwa inakaa nika inang'oka. So I had to fill it with a lot of cement. Ndio nikislide ama nikidance huko nishikilie sink isianguke. So nilifill cement kabisa ndani kabisa vizuri. If you can, anything that will involve cement, when you touch, just wipe it off before ikauke, because ikikauka it's a lot of work kuitoa hapo. These are some of the things that nasema si friendly. So I decided to paint my tile. I know white, and if you want to never paint, they're kind of rental friendly, but it's a lot of work kuitoa. If you want to toa paint kwa tile, you just buy jig, the bleach one, una spray like ama unaimwagilia, then you leave it overnight. Literally la peel after overnight, like ilala overnight ina peel haraka sana. So it's kind of rental friendly and not iko tu hapo katikati. If you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you know I had already painted it nikatoa, but finally I settled up with this one na iko tu sawa, it works. Picking the right color for the wall, hapa ndio ancestor waliniambia they are not going to talk to me. I went with dark colors, knowing very well mimi na dark colors atupendani vile, tuko pamoja, but we don't like each other that much. So I decided to paint the whole room dark, then nikalala. Kuamka kuiangalia, I was depressed. Nikasema no, we need to fix that. So I mixed the dark color and the white one so that nipate a good gray. huko juu on the roofing ni roof nika paint white, so it was grey and white, which ukiona ikikauka ili turn out vizuri. Hata hii ni vile haijakauka vizuri, but ikikauka the grey ili turn out perfect, well the color I wanted. Mwenye alikuwa ameniambia pick black ama dark grey, I don't know, alini mislead, but we are here now. So that's the grey I'm talking about. Ikikauka inatoka very good, not the shiny one, but a very good grey. So the painting part is done, so what is remaining is the fixing a few things here and there. As you can see, the white iko sawa, grey iko sawa, and I'm happy with it. So we'll start maybe first. This was the previous situation, your lighting and the shower, so we need to fix the light and the shower. I will start with the shower. If you want to watch this video the way I did the shower, hot shower, ama ni heater shower. So I'm going to connect the shower head first, then I will do the cabling later. If you want to see that video, I will link it. That video will be up maybe in the course of the week or next week. I need to fix a few things first, but that is me doing all the fixing, kuunganisha and everything. So that's the shower imemaliza, so we need to fix the light. For lighting, I went with 2 bulbs. Initially we had one, but why have one when you can have 2? So I decided to go with 2. This also a project that I did. If you want to see that video, iko hapo juu, I've linked it. Just click there, itakupeleka huko and you watch it. Also remember to subscribe. Usisahau subscribe. Yes. Since hakuna electrical provision for the shower, I had to do that. The only thing I did not put to consideration is the trunking, because I had to paint it again. For the bathroom fitting, I spray paint all of them black. So I'm going to start working on the shelf. I want just 2 shelves. Zitatosha vitu niko nazo, sina vitu mingi because I just sasa vitu mingi kai crowded. So I normally use a tape, ninaweka kwanza just to visualize kwenye shelf zitakaa. Na kama 2 ama 3 ziko sawa, so I went with 2. I marked where the brackets zitakuwa, so that need drill. If you rent like me, if you decide to drill the bathroom ama anywhere that kuna tile, always focus na kwenye the tiles zina meet, that place yenye inafiliwango na cement. It is easier ukihama, you just fill it, laitaonekana. So to mount the bracket natumia that wall plugs and some screws. That is how easy it is to put the wall plug after drilling. Just press it and gongelea kidogo ingie vizuri. So I'm also going to drill another hole ya kuhang the tissue. So for this makeover, I didn't do it within a day. So kuna place unazoona maybe I had already hung the tissue because I was still using the bathroom and showering and going to the toilet and blah blah blah. So every single day I made sure I did something small. That way it took me like a month maliza. Because my bathroom is very tiny, I decided to go with 1/2 inch thick plywood. This is the first longest video I've done. If you have watched up to this far, asante sana. Like the video, share the video, tell me what you think. If you have watched up to this far and bado just subscribe, please kindly subscribe. If you have already subscribed, like this video, share it. When you share the video and when you like the video and comment, it helps get the content to other people when you wanna kuona, and it also helps me grow my channel. And if you can remember, we had 2 tabs tukianza, so moja lilitoa, it was not functioning, so I'm going to put soap hapo. I'm going to take a minute just to appreciate the old house before I say goodbye and prepare for the new one. So this was the old place, just to remind you how it looked like, even in a car. The shower that was not showering, the sink that was dying, and now the new place. Hello, look at that. Look at the tissue. Look at the sink, a functional sink to begin with. Look at those 6 legs. And the mirror. Look at the cute mirror. The minimalist mirror. The shower that is showering. That is the end of my video, of my makeover. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. See you in the next video.